Ganun lang kabilis na nabasa
Tama po yung
agad?
15 pages po, pero i-present po namin kay President Duterte na nasa
Nabasa niya lahat,
250.
15 pages? Ang bilis-bilis lang lumabas eh.
Hindi po niya nabasa yun.
Yung warrant, naipakita ba yung ICC warrant sa Pangulo? Kay Pangulo Duterte?
We gave them the electronic copy of the warrant and it was given to them by Yusek Nikiti together with PG Fadulion.
Yung warrant, anong klase yung itsura ng warrant? ICC, Interpol?
It's an ICC warrant, ma'am.
Pero ayon sa ating batas, di ba, napakaliwanag naman na yung court o judge, kinakailangan Pilipino. Di naman sakop nun yung Interpol, yung ICC. Bakit naging warrant rin sa Pilipinas yun?
I was with the DOJ during the time and it was the DOJ...
Hindi nandun si Prosecutor Fadulion Ikaw naman
Yes,
bumasa ng Miranda rights, hindi man lang yung prosecutor. Tinake-overan mo na yung papel ng DOJ, kaya sumagot ka ngayon.
It was not me who they invited inside the plane. It was the PCTC through General Alcantara, whom they invited inside the plane, showing to them and explaining to them the warrant.
Napaliwanag ba ninyo, Executive Director Alcantara? Kasi parang ang bilis-bilis lang naman ninyo dun sa eroplano. Ang nakita naming final warrant, 15 pages po. Ganun lang kabilis na nabasa
Tama po yung
agad?
15 pages po, pero i-present po namin kay President Duterte na nasa 250.
Nabasa niya lahat, 15 pages? Ang bilis-bilis lang lumabas eh.
Hindi po niya nabasa yun.
Hindi niya nabasa?
Hindi niya.
So,